Atras muna tayo.
May arestuhan ba kay Senator Bato at least tonight? And what happens to the 9 NBI personnel?
Hindi ako alis.
Atras tayo.
Hindi. Ano lang para maluwag din kayong lahat.
Big speech lang po. Okay.
Para lang maluwag din kayong lahat.
Guys, atras tayo.
Ako nahihiya sa inyo.
Okay. Sir, may arestuhan ba kay Sen Bato at least by tonight? And what happens to the 9 NBI personnel?
According to the NBI director, as soon as they heard na ang stand officially ng Senate, yung Senate Resolution 44 at yung manifestation ni Senator Marcoleta na dapat dumaan to sa korte, hindi na nila pinursu na arrestuhin siya ngayon. According to him, coordinated kay Senate President Tito Soto ang pagpasok nila. So ang balik namin sa kanya, coordinated man ang pagpasok nyo, hindi naman siguro tama o wala naman siguro nagbigay ng pahintulot makipaghabulan. So sinasabi niya that is incidents of the arrest, so we agreed to disagree at mag-fact finding. We explained to him that this is not a criminal or a administrative case that needs further study at meron pong due process. This is a contempt case. So we agreed na kaso sa magsiksikan sila dito o inhumane dito under his custody pero hindi niya pauuwiin. He will hold them in the NBI, he will ask them to explain, then write me officially tomorrow. Separate yun sa bugbugan. He promised me that if, kasi ang report daw una sa kanya, ang usahan na nakit. I showed him the video. So sabi niya, let him get to the bottom at asahan na paparusahan ang dapat parusahan. So hanggang doon pa lang kami, but I was saying nga, despite all of those assurances, I do know he has bosses above him.
So Senator Bato will not be arrested tonight, but what about tomorrow?
We will see what the rest of government says after tonight. But ang appeal ko sa kanila, palakasin natin ang mga korte sa Pilipinas. Walang mawawala sa atin kung mag-a-apply sila ng warrant sa korte at pababayaan nila yung due process, lahat ng legal remedies. It will strengthen us, not weaken us.
So if the NBI wants to enter tomorrow the Senate premises, you will allow it?
Hindi pwede.
Not anymore.
So yung
Sinabi naman niya, kaya hindi naman daw sila papasok kung hindi sila pinayagan.
At ngayon naalis na sila, sir?
Yes.
Walis na
So,
sila, sir?
ang request lang ng ibang senador not to suspend until tomorrow, until sure na wala nang natira. Marami kasing text, maraming mga balita na tinitingnan niyo ibang kotse, nandyan sa labas, may armas. So isa-isa clarify and I have to take the PNP. Agad pinadala si General Aberin, who is a well-respected officer, at inassure niya ng police assistance. Hindi naman kailangan kasi between the NBI director, the ROSAA and General Aberin, parang nagkasundo naman sila na walang untoward incidents. But despite that daw, magsastasyon daw sila ng police starting tonight ata or early tomorrow
But no more
morning.
NBI operatives inside.
Ang report sa akin right before this, nag-report daw ng wala, but umiikot ngayon ang Sergeant of Arms to make sure.
Thank you.
Mag-adjourn, mag-suspend tayo till tomorrow.
Thank you.
saan mag-i-stay po sa protective custody?
Okay. This is not the first day I was expecting, and I want na yung mga temperature medyo bumaba. So I'm willing to sit down with whoever, the NBI, the DOJ, para i-resolve to. But I want it very clear na unacceptable na may habulan sa Senado. Yan ay mangyari man sa bisita natin, sa senador, sa media. So that's my primary concern right now, is just to make it very clear we're here to work with everyone. Work with the NBI, work with the Office of the President, work with the House, work with everyone, no? And we will follow the Constitution and the laws. Pero nakita niyo yung video, hindi naman pwede just because they think they have a valid warrant, which is not issued by a Philippine court, ay pwede na silang makipaghabulan sa premises natin. Now, the senators are bringing up to me then that there are heavily armed NBI agents in front of the Senate na may mahahabang barel. It's not, I'm sure hindi ganun ang intention nila. Pero hindi magandang, the world is in crisis. let's show naman na despite political differences, despite the fact na they would rather have a different majority here, we can coordinate well. So, but at least, lalo sa inyo, no, nakita nyo na ngayon kung bakit hindi pumapasok si Senator Bato.
So paano
Nakita nyo
ma-diffuse?
na.
So paano
Kasi
ma-diffuse?
na kapag maaresto si Senator Bato, ililipad siya agad sa dahig. So, kayo po ba, isa-surrender niyo po siya?
Okay. Whatever the dangers, etc., may korte tayo, may batas. Diba? So, na-discuss na yon sa Senate Resolution 44, which states that ang paniniwala ng Senado, that was approved by the Senate, diba? That kung meron foreign warrant of arrest, they have to bring it before a Philippine judge. Yung Philippine judge ang mag-issue. So, we haven't discussed with Senator Bato yung security arrangement, but in the past, pag nag-seek ng tulong yung senador, hinihintay namin. Tapos pag korte na nagsabi, usually nagvo-voluntary surrender, kinakausap na. Diba? So, for me, it doesn't matter if it's a member of the media, if it's our guest, it's an OJT. Pag they're here to protect their rights, tutulungan ng Senado. So we don't want to violate any laws. Kaya nga, yung ina-advise ko sa NBI, makipag-usap ng maayos. Hindi yung sasabihin nila na dahil may warrant sila, pwede na nilang gawin yung gusto nila.
Sir, gusto ko pumasok.
Isang follow-up lang.
Kapag nakipag-usap ng maayos, pwedeng ibigay, i-serve kay Senator Bato yung warrant, sir, ICC warrant, papayagan.
They can give it to his office. If gusto niya, pwede niyang tanggapin. Pero yun nga, yung legal basis. Ang sinasabi ko makipag-usap, para maayos, hindi yung what if lumabas yung mga taga-sergeant at arms dito na may baril din lahat. Gobyerno tayo, laban sa gobyerno. O kung habulin ko rin silang pabalik. So, ang point ko lang, we can disagree, but do it temperately and do it, then paliwanagan tayo kung anong tama. Ngayon, if we don't agree, who decides? Korte. Korte. Pag korte na naman nagsabi, susunod tayo.
Isi-serve lang, pero hindi aarestuhin. That's clear.
Yes.
Hindi kayo papayag na maaresto sa Senator Bato.
Well, hindi namin nakikita eh. So kung may warrant of arrest sila galing sa Philippine court, di pag-aaralan namin yun. If it's in order, then we will even convince him that this is a Philippine court. At sinabi na nung asawa niya sa akin long ago, may assurance lang that the Philippine courts will take cognizance of the case. Hindi pa nga assurance na kakampihan sila, papasok si Senator Bato. But yun ang point ko lang. All this time, gusto niyang pumasok. But totoo pala yung threat na ayaw siyang pabotohin. Diba? So,
SP,
I have
so
to go back and
situation,
start.
sir, ang situation ngayon kasi, nandito ang NBI sa loob.
Yes.
At nandun din sa labas, so paano
we'll finish the session, then kung gusto nila makipag-usap, makikipag-usap kami. Diba? There's too many problems to create another problem.
Meantime, Senator Bato is under protective custody na, so...
But I still ask him whether he wants to go home, whether he wants to attend. That's why nga, ang motion ni Senator Marcoleta, napayagan siya through Zoom or any teleconferencing. Para lang may options din siya.
Papayagan niyo yun, sir?
Well, given what happened today, di ba kasi nung COVID, pare-pareho tayo ng sitwasyon at hindi pwedeng puno-puno. So, pinayagan natin. Sa rules, pag force majeure or national emergency, pwede rin. Pero ngayon, pinipigilan ng isang miyembro paano mag-attend eh. Di ba? So, there's only 24 of us. Hindi pa pwedeng pigilan ng isang miyembro. So, if maayos ang pakikipag-usap sa lahat, then everyone can be
But as
present.
far
Kung
as
hindi,
you're concerned, they can serve the warrant, but they cannot arrest Sen Bato.
serving the warrant kasi ibig sabihin bibigay mo lang eh.
Yes.
We've never naman, di ba, whether iwan mo sa pinto, ibigay mo, email mo, pwede naman yon.
But not arrest.
O kahit yung ako tumanggap, pwede rin eh. Di ba? As administrative head of the Senate. Pero hindi naman sila pwedeng walang coordination or kung meron man, dahil sinabi nga nung dating sa head na nag-coordinate kay Senator Soto, hindi naman ibig sabihin may carte blanche sila na kahit ano na lang pwedeng gawin. Di ba pag sinabi ko sa inyong pwede ba akong magpa-interview sa newsroom, pagpasok doon, hindi naman ako pwedeng nakipaghaguran kahit kanino doon or nangaagaw ng cellphone sa inyo.
So,
Iba yung coordination, di ba, na nandito kami para gawin to. And there were some lapses. Kasi, how many armed men do you need here? Senator Bato was alone, ha? Staff po yung kasama niya. He was alone, ha? Walang security, walang mga baril yung mga yun.
But your
So, sir, ano
leadership
yung-
will not allow arrest.
That is the president and that's what's good for the country, that's what's good for the, we will allow an arrest under the condition that it is a Philippine court, and then kakausapin si Senator Bato na yung paggalang sa Senado is two ways. Paggalang ng mga institusyon sa labas ng Senado at yung kapwa senador. So if there's a warrant for arrest for me, at kinausap na ako ng SP na, boss, eto na, wala ka ng ibang legal remedy, mag-surrender ka na para hindi mapahamak Senate. That's what happened in the past. Pero yung may legal remedy pa ako, pwede, alam mo, pwede pa akong tumakbo ng CA or whatever, tapos atakin mo ako, dadalhin mo akong Hague. Yung sinabi ko kanina, paano yun? Kahit anong sinong media, kahit sinong general, kahit sinong sekretary ngayon, pwede mo lang dalhin sa Hague.
That's what
So,
you will
SP
push.
hanggang
That's what you will push.
That is the essence of Senate Resolution 44 and of all the precedent natin.
So until the situation is clear, lockdown pa ang Senate. Lockdown.
No. Kaya lang tayo nag-lockdown para hindi makalabas yung gumawa ng krimen at yung na-hold in contempt. Once na-identify ng mga yon, everyone can go
Natukoy
in
na
and
po.
out.
Natukoy na po.
I will check right now.
Pero paano sir si Attorney Matibang?
Yes. And they will be detained in the Senate.
Sir, si NBI chief kasi nasa gate daw. So hindi
Basta,
nasa gate daw NBI chief. So hindi siya papapasukin sir. Dahil
no,
lockdown.
I will instruct them that he can be.
Napapapasukin.
Hindi ko, let me check on that. That's a good question.
Di ba kasi community center. Alam mo itong mga nagrarally na to, matatapang lang sa salita eh. O, matapang sa Facebook, matapang sa salita, manang-mana sa mga nag-uutos sa amin. Ha?
Attorney, any plans to investigate?
Mag-uusap kami, kaya nga ako papasok eh.
I mean, investigate this.
Hindi, yung mga yan, pabayaan mo na. Kasi alam mo, pangkain nila yan eh.
Attorney, ibig sabihin po wala pa po talagang confirmed na para tapos.
Mag-uusap kami sa loob. Pinakita niyo ni Senator Trillanes, may warrant na, di ba? Mag-uusap kami sa loob.
Pero sir, as sir, on your report po, wala pa po talaga.
Meron na nga development sa loob, di ba? May warrant. Tapos ngayon, nagpasa na resolution yung Senado that they will put Senator Trillanes under their custody, di ba? So kung may ganun, mag-uusap na kami, kaya ako papasok. Ano? Mag-uusap pa lang po kami.
Attorney, paano yung mga ahente nyo nakakontempt ngayon?
Hindi, nakalabas na. Wala naman po na contempt.
Wala naman, okay.
Well, hindi naman po ako mag-uutos doon. Hindi, kayo, hindi naman ako mag-uutos kay Senator Trillanes. Ano po?
Attorney,
Sino si Senator Tigpak? Sino si
expecting a long day, Director? Expecting a long day? Kuya, pangat ka ng camera mo sa bed. Okay lang, okay lang. Sorry.